remember studying Sutter's fort when you were in elementary school? I certainly do. And I remember the wonderment of thinking about how these first settlers came into California, how they built this massive fort, and how they lived, the things that they had, the way they washed their clothes, the way they did business, the way they traded for different goods.
This is the little store.
Shopped, slept, the jobs that they might have had at the time. Candle making was huge in those days, so it was quite an interesting time. Here at Sutter's Fort, they have rangers on site that actually show children what it was like to live on a day-to-day at the fort. Here this ranger is showing us how he makes metalworks in his shop. This is where the blacksmith would work. The blacksmith was the guy that made all the metal tools in the area for everything that needed to be made.
Get your hand close, don't let it touch you. Oh yeah! Just kidding. Right, grab that, buddy. It's good, yep. Now pass it down, show everybody. Pass it down, let me make sure everyone get a look at it.
Trapping was another lucrative career during the time of Fort Sutter. You can trap animals like raccoons, deers, and even bears, and make blankets, clothes, socks, shoes, all kinds of things out of animal felts. Fort Sutter holds a significant importance in California history, particularly in the early development of Sacramento, the state's capital. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment below and make sure you subscribe for more killer videos by Ray's Flaves.